0.45 may be written as, what we were going to do is to take the digits that come right after this point and we put it over a power of 10. So 45 or 45 over what power of 10? We have two digits in 4 and 5, so we'll have two zeros in the denominator. In other words, 100. And if we think about it, we have 4/10 and 5/100th, and so it will be 45/100th. Now, simplifying this, we want a number that can enter 45 and 100. 5 can enter 45 9 times, and 5 can enter 100 20 times. And so simplifying this, 5 and 5 goes once, and 5 and 5 goes once. And so what we have here is 9 over 20. And this is our solution, 9 over 20. The number 3.14063 written correct to 3 decimal places is, now, decimal places are counted after the decimal point. So after the point, we want to pick up 3 decimal places. So 1 is in the first, 4 in the second, and the 0 here is in the third. So we want to write up to the third decimal place. And so should we write 3.140, which is writing up to the third decimal place? Because we only want 3 decimal place, 3 digits after the point. But do we write 3.140 or do we add 1 to the 0? Well, we want to check the very next digit. The very next digit, if it's 5 or more, we should add 1. Is that the case? Yes. So we're going to add that 1 to the 1. And so answer will be 3.141. And this is our solution. The number 3076 written in standard form is, we have 4 options. We want to choose one as our answer. Any number written in standard form is in this format, a times 10 to the nth power. So we always have times 10. So all of these so far have times 10. A must be a number between 1 and 10. If you check all of these, they're all between 1 and 10, 3.076. Now, n can either be positive or negative. Negative if the original number started as 0 point something, right? 0 point something. If that's not the case, then it's going to be positive. When we look at the original number, is it 0 point something? Did it start as 0 point something? No. So therefore, it will be positive. The power of n, or the power of 10, sorry, should be positive. So definitely we know B cannot be the answer, neither A, because the power is negative. And that's only when you have the original number starting as 0 point something. So what power of 10 is it? Well, let's look at it. 3076. Where's the point at the end? We need to get that point to a position where this number will be a number between 1 and 10. And so we'll shift the point and put it between the first 2 significant figures. And so that will be 3.076. Now this is a number between 1 and 10. Multiply by a power of 10, that will give us back the original number. So we can actually say it's equal. Well, we'll need to multiply by 1, 2, 3, the third power of 10 to get it back to the original. And so this is our solution, 3.076 times 10 to the third power. Item 4 refers to the following diagram. The fraction of the circle which has been shaded is, we have these options to choose from. Now, let's check it out. Angles at a point add up to 360 degrees. So we have this point here, the center of the circle, and 2 straight lines would have formed this point. 2 straight lines meet at a point called a vertex. All right, so an angle can only be formed when 2 straight lines meet at a point. Now, at a point, the angles at a point must add up to 360 degrees. So if this angle here is 285, then what angle is this? So therefore, we need to take from 360 degrees 285 degrees. Now, 5 from 0, we can't borrow 1 from the 6. The 1 we borrow, put it by the 0. So 5 from 10, treat it as 10, give us 5. Now 8 from 5 we can't, we borrow 1 from 3, leaves us with 2. The 1 we borrow, put it by the 5, and so we have 15. So 8 from 15 gives you 7. So the remaining angle is 75 degrees. When you add 75 to 285, you get 360, the full circle. Now, so the fraction of the circle that has been shaded is 75 out of a total of 360. Think about it as a fraction. Now, simplifying this, we're going to divide 75 and 360 by the same number. Number ending with 5 and 0 are divisible by 5, so we're going to divide the 75 by 5. If you divide 75 by 5, what do you get? 5 into 5 goes once, 5 to 7 goes once, remaining 2, and 5 into 25 goes 5 times. So that gives us 15. So 5 into 75 goes 15 times. Let's now divide the 360 by 5. So we have 360 divided by 5. 5 goes once. 5 into 3 we can't. 5 into 36 though gives us 7. All right. So let me do that one more time. We want to divide 360 by 5. 5 goes once. 5 and 3 we can't. 5 and 36 goes 7 times because 7 5 is 35, remaining 1. And 5 into 10 goes twice. So that's 15 over 72. Okay, so let's break that down further now. So because none of these is 15 over 72, but one would be equivalent to it. Which one? Now, 15 and 72. We know 72 is not divisible by 5 because of the number it ends with 2. But another factor of 15 is 3. So we're going to see if we can actually divide 72 by 3. 72 divided by 3. 3 and 3 goes once. 3 into 7 goes twice, remaining 1. And 3 into this 12 goes 4 times. So yes, 72 divided by 3 is 24. And 15 divided by the same 3 as well give us 5. And so our answer is 15 over 24.